Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and in today's video I'd like to give a little introduction to the channel. So I've got a few minutes and I figured I'd sit down, throw a quick video up, a little bit about myself. So I'm 36 years old and I work a 40-hour-a-week job, and I figured I'd start a new hobby doing some YouTube videos. And it's been something I've been wanting to do for a while now. I do a lot of YouTubing. I watch a lot of do-it-yourself videos. I follow some nomads that live in their vehicles and travel around the country and go see all the sightseeing places all around the globe. And I also follow some homesteaders that do projects on their farm daily and learn new tricks and selling products and stuff like that. And so I like to watch that for entertainment purposes. I come from a basis of wanting to be somewhat self-reliant. I want to say about 10 years ago I ran into a guy that taught me how to run my vehicle off of cooking oil. I have a diesel pickup truck and I've been running my truck on vegetable oil now for the past 10 years and probably put I'd say about 200,000 miles on that pickup on vegetable oil. And I thought it was a cool thing and I enjoyed doing it. It was a nice hobby and I saved myself a lot of money. I took the money that went into the fuel of the vehicle and put it towards the maintenance items on the vehicle, or wanting to take my girlfriend out on a date, or put some money aside into savings. So I found that to be a very cost-effective, positive hobby to have. And so what I'd like to do with this channel is I'd like to bring you along, show you what I've done there, and also other things that I'm doing, I'm looking into to kind of be more self-reliant. I'm not a quote-unquote doomsday prepper. I don't really want to go that way, but in the current trying times, I think that it wouldn't hurt to have a little food on the side, or some backup plans in case something were to happen. I store extra food. I like to do that because when we have a local disaster, or they keep talking about possible food shortages, I don't want to be one of those sitting ducks knowing that it's happened, and I want to have a little something on the side, but I don't eat, breathe, sleep, oh my gosh, living in fear, the world's coming to an end, the end is near. I just want to do it for, security. I look at it as from a security standpoint. I don't live in fear. And basically what I'd like to do is be able to share that with you and relate to similar people on the internet and see what they're doing and learn some things, meet some new people. Right now I've been doing some do-it-yourself videos, and I like doing that, but eventually I think that once I kind of get the knack and see where I'm going with this channel, that I can do some more vlogging, and the overall goal is, like I said, to build some relationships, gain some new friends here, and have some fun with YouTube. But overall, I think that I can help people with things that I know, things that I do, and in return, I'm doing that already. I already have people helping me, just by watching videos on YouTube. So, all right, that pretty much sums it up. Well, I want to thank you guys for stopping by today. I'm Tom. I want to thank you again for coming to the channel. If you found this video interesting, definitely like it and hit the subscribe button. That's where we're going. I just started and I can definitely use the subscription. So thanks again, guys, and we'll catch you later on. Bye-bye.